The story of two wolves. An old Cherokee is teaching his grandson about life. A fight is going on inside me, he said to the boy. It is a terrible fight, and it is between two wolves. One is evil, his anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false pride, superiority, and ego. He continued, the other is good, his joy, peace, love, hope, serenity, humility, kindness, benevolence, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, and faith. The same fight is going on inside you and inside every other person too. The grandson thought about it for a minute and then asked his grandfather, which wolf will win? The old Cherokee simply replied, the one you feed. My dear friends, can you relate this story with all human beings? In a way, we are all practicing to feed one of the two wolves based on our choices. Some people choose the first cunning one, while some choose the second kind one. The quality of the first wolf is that it gives immediate benefits, but is fatal in the long run, whereas the second wolf doesn't benefit at all in the beginning, but gives everything at last in abundance. You yourself must choose which one you will feed. That's it for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, because I believe constant motivation helps you to achieve your dream goals faster. Thank you so much.